Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 11 in the lecture series on writing an effective resume. In this video, we'll try to understand why trainings and certifications are important on resume and what the role they will play in interviews. Well, what is a certificate first? It is a document that proves that a candidate have specific expertise and is issued by an authorized organization. Not every certificate is valuable, but it should be issued by a certain organization. And what is a training? Training is an attempt to develop oneself on any skills or knowledge or abilities that relate to specific useful competencies. When I say useful competencies, if you know what job you're applying for and if you know what is the competency expectancy of that job, you should attend certain trainings out of which you get certifications. These certifications will stand as a proof to the interviewer, which tells the interviewer that, see, the candidate is already expert or have certain experience in that particular skill. So that will definitely add value to you and will play a great role in your selection. And adding a professional certification or training to your resume is a proof that you have competence to do something which is relevant to the job. Then, why to include certifications? Where to include your certification? You can include your certification in career summary. If you write anything like career summary on your resume, there you can write certified in so and so skill. Then you can also add a separate section with a heading certifications or trainings, and you can write certifications under that. Or you can simply write XYZ certified beside your name or under your name. And why do you include these trainings? Because they grab the attention of the interviewers. When interviewers' attention is grabbed towards your certifications and trainings, those will come to you as questions. So how to write certification on resume? You will write what is the name of the certifying agency who certified you for that skill, and what is that skill you have acquired, and month and year when did you attend that certification, rating if you have attended any test for that certification, and if that has any limited validity, you also mentioned what is the validity duration. And you should definitely skip the certifications that are outdated, irrelevant and insignificant. For example, for a BTech student, they should not say that you are trained or certified for a PPT skill, for a Microsoft document skill, because that is least expected from a BTech graduate. And how the trainings can be written? You can write where you got trained. That means what is the training agency, what is the skill that you have trained on, what are the dates, what is the duration, and what is the rating, if you have rating at the end of the training. And what you should avoid short trainings, 1 hour, 2 hour certifications or trainings you should avoid. And please avoid irrelevant and insignificant trainings, and don't mention any trainings from which you acquired certifications from fake agencies, so they don't count. So that's it for this video, guys. In next video we will see how awards and achievements matter for us on a resume. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.